Wow, Jenny, that is quite the fashion statement. What are you wearing?
It's my new shortwave brain modulator.
I'm not sure about that invention.
Okay, well, how about these? My horizontal spectacles.
Okay, those are innovative, but not very practical.
Okay, well, how about these? Duck feet finger warmers.
Oh, I get it now. AWS has some of the cloud computing industry's most innovative services, but maybe let's leave it to the experts.
Okay, well, how about the upcoming AWS Online Tech Talks?
Yes, those are both practical and innovative.
A winning combination.
Join our AWS experts this month for talks on Amazon Cognito, AWS CloudFormation, AWS Landing Zone, Amazon TextTrack, and AWS Direct Connect. Do you have questions about the new Amazon Managed Blockchain service? Get them answered live in our upcoming AWS Office Hours session. And if business continuity strategies are top of mind, make sure you tune in to our latest AWS Fireside Chat with the General Manager of Amazon Aurora. We'll discuss how you can use Aurora Global Database to build scalable and reliable apps.
So, where exactly did you get these innovative ideas from?
From Daisy, of course. She's my chief scientist.
Okay, well, as cute as she is, maybe let's leave the inventing to the humans.
Oh, you wait. These will be selling out on Amazon.com any day now.
Okay, but until then,